Now, one question I got asked recently about Adobe Lightroom, I couldn't actually answer because I don't do it. And that was, how do you rename files inside of Adobe Lightroom? Well, it was a very good question when I often found out how to do it. I generally rename my files once they've been exported from Lightroom and once I know who they're going to and what they're going to be used for. That said, if you want to rename them once they're inside of Lightroom, here's how you do it. I've got a bunch of pictures here which I've imported and put into a collection called Tanna. This is the capital of Madagascar where I was traveling recently. 482 pictures. So let's go ahead and select all of them, which is Control or Command A for all. Very easy. So that's kind of a universal select all keyboard shortcut. So we've selected all of them. We go to the Library module here, the Library drop-down menu. 2/3 of the way down it says Rename Photos. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, I've always said about Adobe products is there are too many options when it comes to batch renaming. I mean, just mind-boggling. So we've got the custom name. We've got a custom name with the original file number, custom name sequence, blah, blah, blah. So too many things. Also, we have the ability to edit that even further. So I've clicked on the edit file. We've got the template editor. This is nuts. So we can have the image name, sequence date, metadata, and custom text as well. Gosh, very, very complicated. I think probably unnecessarily. I'm not going to show you how to do that. We're just going to go ahead and add a custom name. If I can remember how to spell it, Antananarivo. Okay, capital of Madagascar. So I could put Mada in as well if I want to do something of that name. So I'm going to start at number 1 clearly because that's the first one off the start point there. I'm going to click OK and watch how fast it does it. So it's renaming 400. By the time didn't even manage to finish my sentence there, and it's now renamed 482 pictures. That's pretty darn good. How do we know it's renamed? Well, here's the information coming through. Antananarivo, Mada, one of 482. Let's just whiz through a few of those. If I just scroll through, oh look, there's the butcher's shop. Okay, we're going to scroll through a few of these. This is on day 1 arriving there. It was a little bit of an interesting experience. And here's Antananarivo, Mada, 74 of 482. Very cute looking lemur. And that very simply is how we rename one or multiple images inside of Adobe Lightroom.